welcome back. Happy Tuesday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I'm kind of excited. Today we have a brand new subscription, as you can see down below, and that is Love Scenes. Now, this is an adult themed subscription box. So I do want to put that out there that this is an adult themed subscription box. So if you are not over the age of 18, let's not watch. I probably will age restrict this, so that'll kind of maybe nip that in the bud, but either way, this is an adult subscription. So I want to tell you a little bit about it, and then we'll get into what this subscription is and what's inside this box. I do want to say thank you very much to Love Scenes. They did very kindly send this to me to review and to share with you guys. So thank you very much. I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. But Love Scenes is the company that makes sex conversations the norm. And it says, we're more than just bringing couples together. We are about people being sexually empowered. The subscription box that empowers you to act out your own erotic scene with your bedroom as the stage. Love Scenes is your sex coach in a box, guiding you on exploring your body and how to open up to your partners. Now, one thing I thought was really neat is when you go to sign up for Love Scenes, they have like a profile where you can give sizing, you can give favorite colors, and it's not just sizing for you, it is also sizing for your partners or partner. So it does kind of, you know, tailor it to you in that aspect. And plans do start at $39.99 a month with shipping. So let's go ahead and get into this box. So here you again can see Love Scenes. It did come in like an outer mailer, but let's get in here and see what we got. I do want to remind you guys, if you have not already, definitely check out our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. The link will be below, so if you have not entered yet, go ahead and do so. That does end on the 22nd of September. I almost said February. I guess love is making me think of February, but anyway, so definitely go check out that subscriber giveaway if you have not already. And if you are new, welcome. We do all kinds of unboxings here, review videos, haul videos, sneak peek videos, live streams, giveaways. We always have a great time, so we'd love it if you join our YouTube family. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And as always, leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts, how your day is. And if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. That does help me out. But without further ado, let's get into Love Scenes. So when we open the box, this is what we see. There is a card here on top, so we'll move that. And some tissue paper, and there's some stuff buried in some squigglies in there. So we will get into exactly what it is in just a moment. All right, so okay, so that's just a code. They do have, other than just the subscription box, you can actually just purchase individual items from their website, which I think is really neat. So like I said, I'll make sure to put that link down below. So this says, welcome to your next love scene. Before you start, take a heated shower. Take a heated, soothing shower with the Arousal Me Now soap. Read your script and know your lines. Envision the character and become them. Set up the stage with body oil and pick out a coupon. Demand your request. Let your love scene begin. So the scene is in the bedroom. Oh, well, okay. So there is quite a bit of detail here. So it's basically, you're in the bed, you're kind of doing your own thing, nobody's watching. In the plot, the maid has been cleaning the house for years and has fallen in lust with the owner. She is now taking advantage of her time alone in his room to fantasize about the owner being there to pleasure her. Not knowing that he suspects these feelings, he has been watching her through the security camera. And then the climax, he's had enough of just watching her from afar. He decides to join her and fulfill those fantasies she has been craving. And then here you can scan to get the full story. So there's that. But let's see what we got in the box. So the first thing I'm seeing here is like a little mask. So you can, oh, you don't know who I am. And then let's see. Again, I'm assuming some of this stuff, if you go and you scan and you read the full story, it'll probably make a little bit more sense. But we have a little feather, usually for tickling. And I'm guessing that this is the arousal soap. Oh, and it is a female body part. Thankfully, with the sticker over it, can't really tell. But yes, that is a female sexual organ. And then, okay, I see what we're, so we have some more little soaps right here. These are the male organ right there. I'm smelling them. So then, oh, what do we have here? Ooh. So we have some pretty panties. These, it's obviously a thong, but what I do like about it is it has the ties on the side. I love this color. So you obviously can put them on and tie them on, and then when you and your partner are getting hot and heavy, it's kind of fun and just an extra little, you know, bonus, I guess, in a way, when they can kind of, and then they're gone. So, but I do think they are really pretty. So there are those. And then, oh, we have a candle. From Marina Bay, the voice of the sea speaks to the soul. It's a sea salt and wood. It is very faint, but it does smell very good. So again, this is the candle. I love, again, I guess blue is the theme, but that would obviously kind of set the mood. And like I said, sorry, it does have like a really nice smell, but it is a very faint smell. It's not overpowering. It's just a fresh sea salt and wood smell. So, and then here we have, this looks like a business card from Love Scenes, exploring and educating on sexual empowerment, right there. So we have that. And then Hugs and Kisses. This is an X-rated couples coupon book. Let's see. Prescription for a happy sex life. Use these naughty coupons to spark up your love life. Get rid of those old blah nights, no-hum weekends, and what did we have for dinner last night yesterdays. Just rip out one of these coupons, place it on your lover's pillow, and get ready for some excitement. And there are a lot of them. How many are in here? 27. 1 can of whipped cream to be applied all over your body and licked off by me. Your wish comes true. I'll do anything you want within reason. Yeah, I'm not reading that one. Meet in a dark bar, then go home for a hot night of... Not gonna read that one. some of these Wear Sexy Lingerie. There's a couple of these I'm just not. Choose the Position. Try Something New. Dinner in Bed. Sexual Massage in the Dark. A Warm Shower Together. Oh. A Striptease. A romantic dinner out, then home for a really good time in bed. A warm bubble bath together with lots of touchy-feely. A massage with lights off and candles burning. Grant me this sexual wish. You get to fill it in. So yeah, some of those I wasn't going to read, but there is the coupon book. And then let's see. Looks like we have one more thing in here. Yep. All right. World O' Kick Games Off the Pitch Special Edition Mini Vibrator. And it is a little soccer ball. All right, so get spirited and support your favorite team. Doubling as a keychain, the mini vibe can add a little kick to your game. So I guess you could take this on the go if you wanted to. So there is that. So we got a mini vibrator, the couples coupon book. We got a candle to make our night romantic. We have the body part arousal soaps for him and her. We have the cute little, now you see me, now you don't, mask, the little feather, and these super cute, fun, untimey panties. So that is Love Scenes. What did you guys think? Definitely different, but I think, I mean, let's be honest, you need to keep things spiced up. You don't want to get into like a slum routine of just, you know, you need to keep it interesting. So this is definitely a way to do that without it being like over the top, you know, crazy. So I thought it was cute. I definitely, like I said, I think these are super adorable, and I love that they are the tie, so it's kind of like, oh, let me rip that off. So we got a couple of different things here to try, and I think it's definitely a unique box in that, like I said, it's not over the top. It's not, you know, anything too outlandish, but it does give you the opportunity to explore and try new things and keep it interesting. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will put a link to Love Scenes down below. And again, the boxes start at $39.99 plus shipping. So there's something out there for everyone. And again, remember that the website also just has where you can purchase items. They don't necessarily have to be the subscription box. You can go on there. They have different lingerie and different things that you can purchase. So check them out. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.